Hi everyone, today I am here with a very interesting art activity which can be done by various age groups. So today we are going to show you three painting with the same technique. It's called silhouette painting, and as the name suggests, the main object remains black and the background we do colorful. So for this we need three sheets. You can do one, so you require only one sheet. Various poster paints. We are going to do it in warm colors, cool colors, and then another different shade which I'll explain. Brush and water and some salt. For the first painting, I'm painting the background in warm colors, yellow, orange and red. Use lot of water and keep the paint diluted so that they mix into each other, creating a wet on wet effect. Sprinkle some salt for the textures and leave it to dry. To add more textures, you can splatter some orange or yellow color paint over the sheet. With the same technique, now I'm preparing another sheet for another painting using light green, dark green, blue and purple shade. Basically the cool colors. Use diluted paints, let them flow into each other, sprinkle salt and splatter. Let the kids have as much fun as they want to play with the colors. The third sheet I'm using light pink, dark pink, orange and it's slightly purple. Sprinkling salt and splattering. While these sheets dry up, I am making the design for the silhouette. So for the first sheet, I am drawing a Buddha. For the second, I am drawing a stag. And in the third one, I am going to use butterflies. There are two things what you can do here. First is either you can draw on a white sheet and paint it completely black, and then you can cut out the design. Alternatively, you can draw it directly on a black chart paper and cut them out. For example, here the butterfly I have just cut it from a black chart paper. So you can use any of these two techniques depending on the age of the child. So here I am ready with the Buddha, the stag and the butterflies. And here my sheets are dried for the three silhouette painting. Let's begin. For the first one, I am going to show you a Buddha. So stick the Buddha first in the center and then with a black poster paint and a thin brush, make some vines hanging in the background. Kids can experiment with a different kind of background as well, or with a different kind of leaves. Kids can add grasses for more effect, and see our first painting is ready. Let's begin with the second one. This is going to be a little jungle scene with the stag. So I'm painting the land black and I'm going to paint coniferous trees. Kids can use the stippling method using a flat brush to give an effect of tall coniferous trees like this. Add grasses, stick the stag in the center, and here your second painting is ready. Let's begin with the third one. Here I am going to create a dandelion flower scenery with butterflies. You can use markers if they are not comfortable painting the dandelions with the brush. Use earbuds to give more effect to the flower. Add grasses, leaves, and now stick the butterflies on the top and your third painting is ready. You can choose to do any one of these paintings with your child depending on their age and their art knowledge. But if you want, you can try all three of them. The outcomes are really amazing and kids love to create these silhouette paintings. If you like the idea, do like, share and subscribe to our channel and discover the joy of creating.